got my green apples, got my fireball. Now, homeboy, watch this. I grab my apples, put them down, right? Grab my little melon ball scooper. I'm gonna pull this down. Yeah. Come in here like so. And then go in, kind of just come around and just carve that bad boy out, right? I feel like Picasso, these coming out so neat. Look at that, man. If I could do that in art class, I'd have passed. Okay, now I grab my fireballs. Bango. Grab another one. Bango. Now, I hold my fireball in my hand because I'm coming up to the fireball, right, guys? So bring my apple up. You turn it upside down, and you want to get that in there. Bang, now you flip up. Kind of like a little fireball apple infusion. Beautiful. So we get our plate. Put our plate there. We got our little apples, right? Now you know what'll really make this good? When I come behind with my caramel syrup. We can get this, so we can start on the front right here. And I can just go around, right? And hopefully this runs down. Hopefully she runs down. So you see what happened there? Now we can pick this bad boy up and put it in the fridge. Oh Lord, gotta walk slow, don't want these to fall over. They're in there, look at that, they fit. Kind of. Now we wait. Give it 30 minutes. Okay. Matthew McConaughey, hey. Oh, but look at these. Let me just slide them out nice and slow so they come on, you can make it. You can do it, brother. Oh, Lord. Let me help him up, okay? Sometimes you got to give your alcohol a helping hand. And there you have it, the Fireball Caramel Apple. Now, think of what we just did. We put that in the freezer, in the fridge, right? So, it allowed the caramel to harden up, okay? And it allowed the Fireball to chill. You see what I'm saying? So you're good. So here's how this is. This is not like a watermelon infusion where it sucks up all the booze, okay? Apples don't do that. Apples, low carb, they don't mess with that. Watermelon, yeah, they eat everything. You see what I'm saying? So, you take a bite, you take a little sip, you take a little bite, you take a little sip, but there's a modest infusion taking place. So it's still good to go, okay? I can eat these right now. Stay tipsy. Don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly.